on top of a struggling economy prior to these hurricanes, now we have an even bigger problem on top of all that to justify lowering rates. And the lowering rates is just going to cause the inflation to start creeping up, and these things will get a little bit more expensive. So if we're talking about the people not affected, you and I who live in the Midwest, our pocketbook is going to be affected by the fact of the inflation or also the devalue of money. So whether gas rises, 2x4s at the lumber store, groceries, our daily run to Target, whatever it is, these prices are going to start climbing and they're never going to come back down.